The next one says a telephone poll was conducted to gauge the popularity of a potential senatorial candidate. Of the 800 people surveyed, 440 had a positive impression, 240 had a negative impression, and the rest had no opinion. What is the percent of those surveyed that had no opinion of the potential candidate? So to identify, Tristan, how many people had no, the percentage, we need to be able to identify how many people did not have an opinion at all. So we look at the total minus a positive opinion plus a negative opinion equals no opinion. Would everybody agree with that equation that I just wrote up there? Yes, okay. So we look at this, we have 800 minus 440 minus 240, 800 minus 680 equals 120 people. So now we have 120 people out of the 800 that have absolutely no opinion at all. So the main important thing that I want to make sure, because so many of you had trouble with this in your percents, it's asking us for a percent. All right? So what we can do is just take 120. And again, this could be much, you could easily solve this without creating a proportion. But the reason, Tyler, that I'm going over this is because I want to make sure no matter what your numbers are, that you can at least always fall back on this proportion. All right? If you have an easier way to go and do it, that's perfectly fine. But if you get stuck, like Tyler maybe, then make sure you follow up on this portion. So the percentage of no opinion is 120 out of 800. Part over whole, part over whole, part over whole. Yes? Oh, I'm sorry. I was doing it in my head. Thank you. So part over whole is equal to the percent over 100%. Yes? Makes sense? All right. Then I can simply go ahead and apply my cross product. What did I do? All right, so then if I go ahead and apply my cross product, I have 120,000 equals 80x. Divide by 80, divide by 80. Again, 120 divided by 8, x equals 15%. You obviously could have multiplied that into there as well. Make sense? Anybody have any questions?